Hello guys, welcome back to Yalan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Smartsheet to track tasks. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we first have to create our account for Smartsheet. So let's go ahead and go to smartsheet.com, and from here we need to click on the try Smartsheet for free. Now in this case, it's going to load up another UI wherein you'll be able to use your account or manually create your account. Now in this case, we click on the sign in with Google since we already have our Google account here, and choose your account that you want to use with your Smartsheet account. Now in this case, it's going to load up another UI here. So in this case, going to say one thing first, your password must have at least 10 characters for better security. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on agree and just click on next. And from here, it's going to ask us to basically confirm our identity and make sure that we are not a bot. So let's go ahead and just complete this CAPTCHA. Now from here, it's going to ask us optimize your experience. So I'm in a specific region here or a specific team. So let's say we are in IT. Specifically, I manage 3 works here. Let's go ahead and choose the work that we are currently doing and just click on next. And from here, it's going to ask us to create our first project. So in this case, I want to name this as first project. Now from here, let's go ahead and choose the view. So in this case, we want to use a grid type of view. So in this case, let's go ahead and use that and just hit on continue. And from here, we first have to add our task. For example, we want to name this as task 1 and this one as task 2. Now here, let's go ahead and click on next. And from here, we have our tab task. So if you want to add that, let's go ahead and add this one, and we want to add this as 2 as well. And here, let's go ahead and click on next add reports. And from here, if you want to add reports, go ahead and just click on add reports. And from here, just build project. So as you can see, the project is being built. Let's go ahead and click on let's get started. And from here, you should be able to see your project. Now in this case, there are a few things that you could do here. So in this case, this is our first project. So this is our task sheet, the task summary report, overdue task report, and project dashboard. So there's a lot of things that you could do here. So first is we have this task sheet. So if you click on task sheet here, you'll be able to see all of the tasks that you have right now. So as you can see, we have this task 1 here. So if this is the first time you're accessing it, it's going to say, give you a quick tutorial on how you use this one. So let's go ahead and just click on next. Now in here, we have our tasks. As you can see, this is our task. We could actually highlight all our tasks here. Now in this case, at the left side, we have attachments, we have comments, we have our add a proof, as well as a notification or a reminder for that task. Now for example, we want to add a comment. Now you could go ahead and add a comment here, like for example, hey, this good. And from here, just press on enter. And from here, we want to basically press enter to post comment. Now here, let's go ahead and click on send. And we were able to successfully add a comment. Now in this case, as you can see, since we added a comment, you'll be able to see and click on it, and you'll be able to see the comments for that specific task. Now same thing, if you want to upload, click on the attached files here. If you want to add proof, go ahead and click on this one, and you'll be able to upload the proofs for this specific task. We also have the notification here. If you want to add that, you just need to choose the date here and the reminder message, and just click on save at the bottom right. Now in this case, you could go ahead and click on the send the reminder who you're going to remind this one. But for now, let's go ahead and click on cancel. Now in here, if you right click on this specific task here, you'll be able to do a few things. Like for example, you could go ahead and copy, view cell history, insert row, delete this row, add a row comment, row action. So if you want to do that, you'll have this ones. And we also have the option for insert image, link from cell to other sheet if you want that. So if you're familiar with the format for Excel, well, this formatting for you is the perfect thing that you will be using here. Now we also have the manage preferences and hyperlinks. Now in this case, we have the following columns. So we have the task column assigned to allocation, start date, end date, and health. Now in this case, we also have status here and notes if you want to add notes. Now assigned to, this is the person that is assigned to the specific task. Allocation is going to 50%. for this specific task here. We also have the start date for the task, the end date, and the health of the task. So you also have the status for keeping track of your task here. If you click on it, you'll be able to change this one like for not started or complete. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just select all of the columns here, or sorry, the cells here, and you'll be able to change the value itself. Now if you want to add another column here, like for example, we want to basically add another task. Now to do that, first thing you want to do is you want to click on this one and just type in here, like for example, you want to name this as task 3 and just press on enter, and we'll be able to add this one. Now, if you want to add subtasks, you can go ahead and just type it in here. Like for example, you want to say this is subtask 1, and when you hit on it, click on the indentation or indent here, just click on it, and you'll be able to add a subtask for that task. Now from here, you can go ahead and set or assign a person to it and fill out all the required details here. Now in this case, if you have another project, let's go back here and browse. From here, just click on save if you have any changes on that specific task. What we need to do here is you just need to basically go to your workspace here, and from here, create new workspace, and let's say we want to name this as project 2, and hit on OK, and from here, you have our new project. Now in here, just right click on this section here, and you'll be able to basically add task list, grids, cards, or browse templates. Now since we use a grid, we want to choose project now in here and just click on OK, and we'll be able to add a sheet. And from here, you can go ahead and use this other format for your project. So each type of sheet here has different functions. Whatever you want to choose here, or what you are comfortable with, you could basically use that. So this tool is really helpful for keeping track of all the tasks that you have right now. So this is an overview for how to use Smartsheet, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.